Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you on how to clean up unnecessary files that are in your laptop that can cause your laptop to hang, slowing down from not performing in the way a laptop is supposed to perform. So today I'm going to show you on how to get rid of them. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button and turn up the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a recent update. So let's dive in. So you search for disk clean up. This is it. You click on it. So do you see? You can use this cleanup to free up to 2.11 MB of this. So these are the files that can hinder, that is, do you see, that is slowing down my laptop. So I don't need them. Let me get rid of them. You click on clean up system files. So this is it. Okay, it has finished. So more option, you can free more device space by removing programs that are not in use. So you can clean. This one is to uninstall them. So okay, to clean them off, you click on, do you see, this cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. So let's wait for it to finish. So that's all. So if this video was helpful to you, if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to like this video, and also turn up the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a recent video like this. Thanks for watching.